Hey there everyone, hope you are doing great and we are back with another video. And in this video, we are going to conclude our HTML series. So the first question you should be asking me is, what next? We have learned HTML, basic of HTML, created some basic website that you told with no styling that looks bad. But what next? What should we do? So let's move to our visualizer and see what next you can do. So let's start with our what next. So before starting, these are some assumption and the best practices that people do after learn HTML, right? So, first of all, you need to do is read about these HTML components, elements that cover in the course, read about them. Visit various websites like MDN. MDN is a great website, like people often visit it and read along and often reference it, right? Go there and look for reference it. Okay, so visit website, read website like MDN, Mozilla Developer Network. They have done a great job. W3 Schools is a great platform to look around. They have some practice set, they have some great visualizer to do things as well, right? So read things, read a lot, right? And visit websites, right? Next thing is visit website and learn, right? Which website to visit? MDN and W3 schools, right? So after that, you have some notions about things. Then write your own HTML, right? Build things, with HTML. Unless you don't build things, you don't have will have a confidence around HTML, right? Writing content, right? And also refer some things, right? Always refer some things. So go to DevTools, right? I will be showing in a moment. Go to DevTools, learn about other websites, how they are created, how they are built, and how people are creating the content, whether they are using semantic HTML or not, or if they are using semantic HTML, where they are putting up article or where they are putting up a section or where they are putting a footer, something like this, right? There are various semantic meaning HTML, right? So after that, you need to do what you need to do is to share with people, share with me. If you are building something, tag me on Instagram. I'll happy to reshare your work, as well as I am bringing lot of work to build these contents as well, right? So just a small thing, subscribe to the channel, like it, share it with your friend, right? If you find this helpful, like it, share it, and share the people who want to learn HTML or related to any technology. I will be bringing this channel. I'll quickly show how we can build things, right? Seeing to other website and learn from there as well. So I have visited a Google homepage. So right click on this and do inspect. So this inspect will bring you to the DevTools. This is known as browser DevTools, right? So this is present in Chrome, this is present in Edge browser, this is present in Mozilla. Every browser have it, right? So you can see, you can click on this, you can select a particular element. See what you have, it is an image tag, it is an image element. What this have, it is an input element. What this is, it is an input element. This is a div, this is a tag, this is a tag. So this way you can learn about things, right? You can learn about things. See, this is a totally HTML code that they have written. We have learned everything, right? This style, this div, this particular dialog box we haven't covered, but it is present also. And also we have learned various things from here, right? This is the text area we have covered. So you can go along and see how things are done, right? So you can go along and see how they are writing code, right? So this way you can visit numerous website and see how website and content are aligned and built, right? So that's it.